Welcome to the second annual Hope Kit Packing Party. We are so proud to partner with National Breast Cancer Foundation to support the communities and the people that need hope most. We partner with them last year and this year. Last year, we packed 200 kits. This year, we're packing 350. That's amazing. We're bringing hope to 350 people going through treatment and needing some hope, support, and encouragement. The things that are inside of the kit are aimed to support them with their journey through treatment.